It's finally time for a little Christmas haul. This year I thought we would do something a little different. I always show you what I buy, but I rarely show you how I actually use them to decorate. So this year I decided to walk you through the apartment so that you can see some of the new pieces that I picked out this year, as well as some old pieces that I absolutely love. So it'll be a little haul slash apartment tour. And if you didn't already know, this year our Christmas decor was Harry Potter theme, more like a subtle Harry Potter theme. So I'll make sure to point out those elements as well in case you are a Harry Potter fan. I love theme decor, but I never like it to be super obvious. I really like it to fit and blend with my style. So hopefully that can inspire you as well if you are a Harry Potter fan. But before we get started, I wanted to share a little jewelry haul with you all. Y'all know I am a huge fan of Ana Luisa, and I'm so happy that they are sponsoring today's video. So as a self-proclaimed lazy girl, y'all know I love to just throw on a cozy sweater, and I feel like Ana Luisa pieces just elevate any simple look. You probably recognize my necklace because I've worn it so many times. I absolutely love a layered necklace, and I love this one from Ana Luisa so much. I have it in silver as well. These are the other two pieces that I got. So first, I got these gorgeous earrings. I feel like a fancy Parisian woman wearing them, and they're super easy to pop on, not heavy at all, super comfortable to wear all day long, and they just make me look and feel so much more elevated and put together. And I also got this beautiful ring. I've been trying to play around and wear more rings, and I thought that this would be a gorgeous statement piece. It's a very simple design and very elegant, but it still adds a statement and a little something else and something special. All Ana Luisa pieces are crafted sustainably, and they're great quality so that you know that you're investing in a piece that will last you a very long time. I've had this necklace now for years. I've worn it like crazy, and it's still holding up so well, just like the day I got it. And all the pieces come in these cute little bags, which I love to reuse. I use them as little travel pouches, and I also use them as coin purses. Now that the holidays are in full swing, Ana Luisa pieces would make for great gifts. My sister actually got me this necklace as a gift, and it is probably the gift that I've used the most ever. So it's definitely a great gift idea for the jewelry wearers in your life. And Ana Luisa is having a huge sale right now, so definitely take advantage. I already picked out a couple of pieces for my sister, and I also love gifting jewelry to my mother-in-law. So I definitely take advantage of these sales to buy not only Christmas gifts, but also birthday gifts for later on in the year. So feel free to shop with the link in my description below. And thank you again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. Let's get started with the haul. First, we'll get started with the living room. This is the area in the apartment we spent the most time in, so I really wanted it to feel very festive and cozy. Y'all know that I'm obsessed with blankets, so I had to get a couple of new ones. First is this super cozy Sherpa blanket from Target. It's so ridiculously soft, and the back has a little fleece lining, which is also incredibly soft. I've also been wanting a knit blanket for a really long time, and I absolutely love this beigey one. It has these cute little baubles at the end, which I really like. It just added a little something to a relatively plain blanket. And for the rest of the couch, I just used pillows and blankets that I already had. Then right above the couch, I added a couple of sconces next to our big painting. These I found on eBay, but you can find similar ones on Amazon as well. And I also bought these faux wax candles to place inside the sconces since I didn't want real candles to be above our heads. And they look so realistic. These are from Amazon, and they come in a pack of 6, and they do have a little remote as well. On the opposite side of our living room, we have our Christmas tree and our TV console table. The Christmas tree was a gift from King of Christmas. It is absolutely a gorgeous tree, and I've been wanting it since last year, so I was so thankful. It's the 6-foot Noble King fir. It comes with a little remote and a bunch of twinkling light options. And I went for a mostly gold ornament tree this year. These gorgeous gold ornaments come in a pack of 12, and they're from At Home, as well as these sparkly starburst ornaments. And then of course, for the Harry Potter theme, I had to add a couple of owls. These are from Hobby Lobby. And the Mercury ornaments and the cute little star ornaments are also from Hobby Lobby. I also added some flying keys that were from a kit from Amazon. And my favorite addition to the tree this year were these faux candles. They're just little clip-ons, and they have their own remote, and they just add such a cozy glow to the tree. I also got so many questions about the basket. It's a basket that I thrifted last year, and I just gave it a stain, and then I filled the base with some Spanish moss to hide the tree base. For our star, I bought this really affordable star from Target that was only $10, and I love the old vintagey brass look it has.
For our console table, I laid out 2 garlands. One is the faux berry one from Target, and the other one is a simple one from Hobby Lobby. I also added some twinkling lights, and y'all know I love my little faux brass figs, so I had to add those as well. And then to represent the Hogwarts houses, I got candles in different colors, and those are from World Market. The Feliz Navidad garland is actually handmade by my mom, and she actually has her own little Etsy shop, so if you are interested in buying one, I'll make sure to link it below. It's so rare to find neutral Feliz Navidad decor, so I had to ask her to make it for me, and I love how it came out. I also added some stockings. These I had from last year, but they're selling them again this year. The one on the left is from JCPenney and it's less than $10, and the one on the right is from Studio McGee. And then of course I left the floating candles from Halloween for our Harry Potter decor. This year I wanted to add a lot of greenery, so I got these garlands from Hobby Lobby. They are a little bit more pricey than other garlands, but I think they are so gorgeous and so realistic. I added one above our window to create a little owl habitat. The owls are from Hobby Lobby and from At Home. I also added these little icicles from Hobby Lobby just to make it feel a little bit more realistic. The same garland I hung above our bedroom door, and of course I added some more flying keys. I kept our little entryway area very simple because we have family coming, so I want to be able to easily remove it so that we can hang our jackets and coats. So I added this faux garland from Kirkland's, which always sells out so fast every year. And this grapevine star garland, which I was absolutely obsessed with as soon as I saw it. Y'all know I love grapevine anything, so I had to have it. And then I added 2 more stockings here, another one of the JCPenney ones, as well as the brown Studio McGee one that came out this year. I also moved our big cabinet out into the living room area and just did some minor decorating using pieces that we already had from previous years. I did get new dinnerware though because we are having family for Thanksgiving. So I bought this set of 12 stoneware plates for less than $80 on Amazon. They look so good and such a good deal, and they are dishwasher and microwave safe. I also got this pitcher from Amazon that I've been wanting for a very long time and finally have an excuse to get it. And the last little area I decorated was our little coffee station. I swapped out one of our frames for this cute little reindeer. I got it from Michael's on clearance last year. And I used these faux berry stems, which I absolutely love, that I got from Crate & Barrel on clearance last year as well. Then I added this little nutcracker, which is from Hobby Lobby this year. It is absolutely gorgeous. And of course I had to add this December print that I thrifted a couple of months ago. I didn't buy a lot of things this year, mostly things that were specific to our Harry Potter theme. I'll make sure to link as many things as I can in the description below, but definitely let me know if there's any links that you would want.
I hope you all enjoyed the little tour of our apartment, got a little bit of inspiration on how you can add a theme to your home in a very subtle, very neutral way. And don't forget to check out the huge sale at Ana Luisa and shop with my link in the description below. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you all very soon in another video. Bye!